welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome back to all my subscribers. Hey y'all, on today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Dope Queens Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. She sent me some awesome lipsticks. I already have a couple of her lipsticks and you guys probably saw it in a couple of my videos. I absolutely love the lipsticks, and of course I'm going to add those in the video as well so you can see all of the shades. These are all the colors she gave me: Luscious Lavender, Ratchet, Bad and Boujee, Faith, and Royal Rain. And these are the boxes that it comes in, with her name written in gold, which is very pretty, and her business card with her name, her information. Of course I'm going to leave that in the description below. And these are the bottles that it came in. Nice chic bottles, and these are all the colors, and the business card again as well. This says Dope Queens Cosmetics. And these are the two colors that I already have that I'm just going to add in the video and swatch on my lips so you guys can see it again. So it's Mean Girl and Cheeky Booty Shorts. So I'm going to be starting off with Luscious Lavender. So this is Luscious Lavender. Ratchet. Also forgot to show the applicators. So these are the applicators. Really easy to apply on your lips because me personally, I'm not a big fan of lip liner. So what I do when the applicator is like really easy like this, I just kind of line it as I fill it in. So this is Ratchet. Faith. Faith. Royal Rain. Royal Rain. Bad and Boujee. Bad and Boujee. Look what I done. This looks a hot mess. Trying to wipe off the lipstick and just keep wiping off the makeup around my lip. This looks crazy. Yeah, these lipsticks they're pretty hard to get off, so be prepared to have a makeup remover wipe or some oil or something to get it off. So that shows you that it lasts all day. Okay, so the last two I'm going to be doing is the ones that I've been wearing, so I'm going to swatch those. Cheeky booty shorts. Cheeky booty shorts. Mean Girl. Mean Girl. Okay guys, so those were all the lipstick swatches. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you're interested in ordering from Dope Queens Cosmetics, her information is down below. Click on their link. Y'all will not be disappointed. These lipsticks are amazing. Love them, love them, love them. So yay, I got a lot of them. So I'm going to be placing my order for some more Cheeky Booty shorts. That's one of my favorite reds. And yeah, so all of these colors are amazing. And like I said earlier, they last all day. Like seriously, they last all day. And the applicator is really easy. This is a nice little chic bottle it comes in. So it's very nice. I love it. And also let me add, you know, liquid lipsticks, they're very versatile as well. I also tried a couple of her liquid lipsticks as liners. So all you have to do is get a striper and wear it as an eyeliner if you want to match your lips with your liner. Remember that. And it did not smear or anything, like seriously. So remember that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed, guys. Bye.